In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a list in ClickUp. If you want to quickly copy an existing list instead of building one from scratch, ClickUp makes that process simple. Duplicating a list can save time, especially when you want to reuse the same structure, tasks, or settings in another area of your workspace. To get started, open ClickUp and find the list that you want to copy. Make sure you're in the correct workspace area so you can clearly see the list you plan to duplicate. This is important because the duplicate will be based on the list you choose here, including whichever details you decide to carry over. Once you've found the right list, click the three-dot menu beside the list name. This menu contains additional options for managing that list. From the menu, select Duplicate. This will open the duplication settings where you can customize how the copied list should be created. Next, enter a name for the copied list. Choose a name that makes it easy to identify, especially if you're creating a version for a different theme, project phase, or template use. A clear name will help you avoid confusion later when you have multiple similar lists in your workspace. After that, choose the space or folder where the copied list should appear. This gives you control over where the new list will be placed, so take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct destination. Putting it in the right location from the start can save you the trouble of moving it afterward. You'll then see options to select the list details you want to include. Depending on your needs, this is where you decide how closely the duplicate should match the original. If you only need the basic structure, keep it simple. If you want a more complete copy, review the available options carefully before continuing. When everything looks right, click Duplicate List. ClickUp will then create the copy based on the settings you selected. Depending on the size of the list and the details included, this may take a moment. Finally, open the copied list from the selected location to make sure everything transferred the way you expected. This is a good time to review the name, structure, and included details so you can confirm the duplicate is ready to use. That's all it takes to duplicate a list in ClickUp. Thanks for watching.